Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to share an idea to an Instagram in Deepstash. So each idea in Deepstash can be turned into a beautiful sticker ready to be shared directly on Instagram or Facebook as a story. So to do so, head over to your favorite article or book and tap share. So there are two new options in the share menu: Instagram stories and Facebook stories. You can share stashes and articles, individual ideas, or your own profile, so you can give it a try. Simply by clicking here, you can copy the text or copy the link. So the idea is part of this collection. So for example, here I would like to share like this idea. So simply just go to the idea that you'd like, click on start today, of course, log into your account in case you didn't have an account already, and simply you will find under each idea a button that looks simply just like this. So all you need to do is to simply go to that thing and share it. Here, instead of copy text and copy link, you will have share to Instagram story or to Facebook story. So it's very simple and easy. And here also you will find like the Deepstash ideas here and codes, so you can click on them. For example, this one here, you can save them as well. And here you have the share for you to be able to share the whole thing. So you can go here, choose Facebook, you could choose Instagram. Here we have Reddit, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and X. So there's multiple options that you can go for. But just as an information, you need to be connected to your account. So make sure that you are connected to your account in order for you to share them or to listen to them or anything like this. And other than that, that's pretty much it for today's video. So if you do have any more questions about Deepstash and anything related to any other platform, make sure to mention it in the comment section. That was it for today's video, guys. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us some beautiful comments. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos. Bye-bye.